What's going on, YouTube Nation? This is Darth Dividend. If you guys are new to my YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Yeah, I did tell you, I did add some Canadian dividend stocks. These two have really good dividend growth. The first one I'm going to go over has excellent dividend growth. I almost bought the Royal RY, the Royal Bank of Canada. I think that's what it is, RY. But I changed my mind because this one was a better bang for the buck and way better dividend growth. So I'm going to go over that one. Very excited to buy this one tomorrow and earn some very good passive income with this dividend stock. As I said before, I'm going after the financial sector and real estate sector. These have done extremely well. These two with dividend growth. The yield is not too bad either, so I'm going to go over that. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. Smash that like button. Let's check these two dividend stocks right now. The one I'm going after is the Bank of Montreal, sitting at 86.64, a dividend yield of 5.22%. PE ratio 14.56. The average volume is 963.61K. Market cap $63.22 billion US dollars. Year range is 73.98 to 112. Day range is 85.94 to 86.90. Previous close is 85.69. Now let's check out these revenue trends. This is quite impressive. Again, the symbol is BMO. This is annual revenue in millions US dollars. 2016, 19,398. 2017, 21,045. 2018, 25,005, 2019, 29,153, 2020, 25,686.87. I had to stop for a second, look. And then it went up from 2021 to 26,056, and then 2022, 34,740, 2023, 50,483. That's quite impressive. Now, let's go over a few more trends. The start of January 2024, the revenue, this is quarterly, $7.05 billion. It was up 44.31%. Net income was $1.29 billion. It was up 869.92%. Diluted earnings per share was up 1,135.71%. They're making a big comeback. 1.73. Net profit margin 18.31%. That was up 573.16%. Operating income $1.94 billion. That was up 192.3%. April 2024, most recent trends. Revenue was up 7.43%. That was at $7.27 billion. The net income is $1.86 billion. That was up 81.48%. Diluted earnings per share 2.36. That was up 87.3%. Net profit margin was up 69%. That was at 25.62%. Operating income $2.7 billion. That was up 75.05%. Now let's go over the dividend history. This is what really attracted me. I'm going to start in 2020. Quarterly dividend, 80 cents. And then you can blame the pandemic right there, 76 cents, 79 cents, then 80 cents, and then 2021, 83 cents to 85 cents, and then a little bit of 83 cents in 2021. Starting to make a comeback, and then 2022, 105, 106, 109, a little bit with a 102 there. And again, but they distribute their dividend. It's very nice. And then 2023, 105, 106, 111, 108. And then in 2024, 112, 113. The dividend growth in 5 years is 10.14%. And I'm pretty sure this is converted to US dollars right here with the dividend. You bought one share, you made $4.47 with a 5.16%. Again, that dividend growth, 10.14%. Payout ratio, 56%. That is very attractive. Now let's jump to another high yielder dividend stock. Now, before I even start going over Enbridge, I was on Russ's channel. We discussed Enbridge with the DCF and everything. The dividend appeared stable. The one thing that really excites me is their acquisitions. They made a lot of acquisitions recently, and one of them, I'm pretty sure you can correct me if I'm wrong, East Ohio Gas in my state of Ohio, sitting at 36.10 right now. They are 7.43% dividend yield, a PE ratio of 18.57, the average volume 4.30 million. Market cap is $77.05 billion US dollars. The tier range is 3103 to 3837. Day range is 3576 to 3620. Previous closes 3580. Now, you may ask me, why am I going after a high yielder? Again, the cash flow appears to be stable, okay, for their dividend. Revenue trends have been a little iffy, but with their acquisitions, I'm going to go in depth, very much in depth with them in the future. It's going to take longer to actually go over them as to why I'm buying them. I really want to go over their presentations that they have on their website. It is very impressive, but their map with natural gas and just barrels of oil and stuff is incredible. And I'm going to be going over that with you in the future. But the thing is, with the cash flow, acquisitions, them starting to be international, it's very exciting. And for their price at $36.10, I couldn't say no to that. So I'm going to jump to the dividend history real quick. Now, I'm a high yield dividend investor. I'm pretty sure this converts to US dollars. Okay, this is in US dollars. I'm pretty sure quarterly. 67 cents, 2022 66 cents, 67 cents. Then in 2022 65 cents, 66 cents, to 65 cents, 68 cents, and then to 67 cents. So again, the DCF appears to be decent. They do have a high payout ratio according to Zacks, but remember, there are different metrics. Now, look at the dividend growth starting in 2016, 40 cents to 45 cents to 47 cents to 50 cents. So what I can do with their high yield, again, the dividend increases in 5 years. Last 5 years is 11, sitting at 268 and at 7.44%. What I can use is the dividends from Enbridge to buy dividend growth stocks. So that's one thing I can do. I'm an income investor, high yield investor, dividend growth investor, and value investor. It's like everything in a hybrid into one. So if you're new to this YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so don't miss future videos. I may try to squeeze in a video for you tomorrow or Tuesday. Don't quote me on that, but there's going to be a lot more shorts. So you guys take care and have a good one. Be safe out there and have a great rest of your Sunday. And I'm going to jump to my disclaimer. So as a reminder, this is a disclaimer. Do not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. It's strictly for entertainment purposes only. Yes, I did buy Enbridge and Bank of Montreal. It will be happening on Monday. So I want to be clear that is a buy. I confirm with you that I'm buying it. I just want to be aware of as well that investing is a big risk. You can gain money, you can lose money. So make sure you do your due diligence. Investing is a big risk. You better get a financial advisor. I highly encourage you to get a financial advisor and not use my YouTube channel for any form of financial advice. This is strictly entertainment purposes only. Go to a tax advisor for tax advice. Don't use this channel for tax advice. Go to a financial advisor if you're looking for financial advice. You can gain money, you can lose money. So just be aware of that, and you have to do your due diligence when you make investments. So you take care and have a good one. And yes, I do plan on being long in Enbridge and Bank of Montreal unless something drastically changes. Take care.